Hey y'all. I'm just coming here to tell y'all that you need to go into the dollar store, especially this time of season, to get your seeds. Like seeds, look, most seeds will last like at least strong viability for at least 3 years. Like I know parsnips are kind of finicky. So I've been told, I haven't tried it. But y'all, the seeds from this year you can use next year. This packet. Wait, the radishes were 12 cents. The radishes were 12 cents. The spinach, y'all. I'm about to go wipe this place out of spinach. I was trying to be respectful. I love some. I'm wiping that shit out, man. Yeah, I'm getting this goddamn spinach, y'all. 6 cents. 6 cents for the spinach. And we can still plant spinach. Yeah, look on here. Spinach days to harvest, 45 days. And spinach is cold hardy. Like the spinach I had this past season, it hit to -11. Like I've known spinach to do 4 degrees before, but this one did -11. Below zero, like freeze, no, like below freezing is 32 Fahrenheit, like -11. The spinach was like strong. It was, hey, what's up? That still could have been harvested. Come on, spinach. Come on, 6 cents. So yeah, y'all. So this is Dollar General. I got some cheap seeds a few weeks ago from Dollar Tree. Yeah, they were like 12 cents or something. And shoot, no, it was a few weeks ago. Hell, I think that's been a couple of months now. Shoot, they might be 6 cents too. Y'all stop being snooty with seeds. Stop being snooty with seeds. Go to these dollar stores, y'all. Come on, and let us start planting some food. What are we doing? Like there is a crisis, y'all. Let's start planting food. 6 cents. Dollar store, get it now, y'all. Get your seeds now. For now and for next season. Ooh. That is a message from LeBray from Liver Green Garden. God bless y'all. Get to planting. Get your seeds, honey. I'm about to wipe these motherfuckers out, honey. 6 cents. Come on. All right. God bless y'all. Okay. Bye. Hey, and subscribe. Bye.